Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday. Really a great day today actually. The S&P 500 was up 1.54% today. With that in mind, I'll been asked a couple questions about the color of the polo shirts and if there's some method to it, and actually there is. Recently I wear the green shirt when the market, the S&P is up over at 1.5%. I wear the red shirt when it's down more than 1.5%. And I wear my other colors, black, blue, gray, and white, when it's in between. So if you just want to see what's happened to the market, you can see the head picture on the video and see what's happened. So really, the market was very strong today. Actually started out strong, continued to build all day, and then really had a great finish. Today is the last day of the quarter, so that was quite interesting also. We had a rotation back towards our targeted indexes, which is great. Yesterday, we were behind a little bit, but we're really far ahead of the market. If you go in and look at your accounts on the Black Diamond portal, you'll be able to see kind of where they are versus what the market has done. And these targeted indexes have really helped. And so I also saw a very fascinating chart comparing several of the big recoveries, the 2009 recovery, the 1987 recovery and such, and it lays the recovery that we're current in on top of all these other recoveries from the bottom to kind of where they ended up. We are tracking almost exactly what happened in the 2009 recovery, which is kind of exciting because that was a really good one. Also had the similar situation where we had a big stimulus package that came in. So there's lots of other differences, but it's very interesting that we're following that pattern so far quite closely. So see what happens tomorrow. We are starting to get to the top of the second little range that we've been setting up, and so hopefully we can break out of that and keep going. Thank you for listening today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.